Hello friends, welcome to my channel Jingle Southern once again, and today is the second video of my channel as I'm started to give regular videos. So this video is all about the take up to date, the tech news of today, and I will be giving regular take up to date or one day after take up to dates. So friends, let's get started without wasting any time. So our first take up to date is about Instagram updates, which you might know or might not know. But let me tell you that Instagram has started, or Instagram has already updated their some of the great features. The five great features are reply or forward option in a particular message or for a specific message options, and new way to switch Instagram accounts are there for just if you logged in two accounts in a single device, then you can now easily switch by just double tapping on the profile photo. Next comes then disappearing photos or videos on Instagram. You have to send a disappearing photo or video either as a group or an individual message. Next comes mute or unmute someone's Instagram story. Now Instagram allows you to move to someone's story or points if you don't want to see them, but still want to follow that person. And reaction emojis in a chat. It's similar to how Facebook lets you react to anyone post. Similarly, Instagram now allows you to react to post using reaction icons or any other similar options you could press to share your emojis or reaction in your message. Our next news is our Netflix offer, which is now only in India. You won't get any Netflix offer outside India. The weekend offers are there for you. If you have a Netflix account, then you can obviously go for Netflix options or the offers now Netflix is offering to you. So first of all, you need to open an account, then you should go for the options which is offering the offers, and then you can easily use the Netflix in India. But this is only for in India. Our next is about Realme 7 and Narzo 20 Pro update of security patch. That means they are updating the security profiles in the next level or the updated level you're getting in Realme 7 and Narzo 20 Pro. Sorry for the spelling or the pronunciation. If you have these two phones, you could obviously go for that Realme Narzo 20 Pro. But if you have any other Realme phones or any other Narzo devices, then you couldn't go for it. Only for these two particular devices. Our next news is about the LG K42 and K52 and K62 and many other phones which are using the quad rear camera updates. So they are doing these updates very soon, and the people who are using or already bought these three devices, they will also get these options of their updates. This phone hasn't been launched in India. It will be launched in India soon by December or January, and the price of respective phones will be from 14,000 to 17,000 RS or depending on the specifications. Next comes iPhone 11 benefits. The benefits are if you have a touchscreen issues or any other problems with your iPhone 11, only this device iPhone 11, you're gonna get a free service from your Apple Store. And this offer is only eligible in India and some other countries. I'm not sure about other countries, but you can obviously go for these facilities in India. Just go to your any nearer Apple Store or any Apple Store service centers. You could easily go there and you could get your free iPhone 12 services. If you have any touchscreen issues, then only you could get, and others also. Next comes Apple AirPod Studio, which is gonna be launched by the end of this year or even January. It could take up to launch in India, and this is one of the best studio on the best headphones which is going to be launched by January. And the specification of this headphone is H1 chipset and with a battery life of 24 hours, and obviously it has Hey Siri option, and the price of it is around 30,000 Indian rupees. Our next option is about Amazfit upcoming gadgets, and it has launching few GTS2, GTR2 and GTR S2. There are several other gadgets or the devices they are offering to you, and this will be all launched by the end of this year. And the price and the specification of this aren't clear till now, but there are some rumors about it. The rumors are as width of 46.4, height of 46.4, thickness of 10.7, and a weight of 39 grams or even more or less than that. The price of it is from 6,000 to 7,000 or might be 10,000 or Indian rupees. Our next is about watch to camera. That means Apple Watch is now having a third party band which is offering that this Apple Watch will turn into a camera or like a smartphone, or that could be similar to your smartphone which you're using right now. So don't buy an iPhone or any other phones, just buy Apple Watch, and that could fulfill all your demands or all your requirements of a phone. Obviously it is not gonna be that much powerful camera, but it is gonna be pretty good. The price of it is around 300 to 400 US dollars, but it is not still launched in India. It will be launched in India very soon, but the news has already come that it will be launched in India. So that is all for today, and that is all for today's Tech with Tech Up to Date. So keep watching my videos and subscribe to be the first to get all the latest technology video in my channel. If you have any problem regarding my video, please leave it in the comment box. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you will benefited by my videos.